Cancer, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for March 3 to 9, 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Ayan, so let's see. Follow nyo rin ako sa TikTok, tsaka sa Facebook. Ayan, lahat yan ay Mystic Queen PH. So, kumusta kayo, Cancerians? How's everything going on? Okay. So, Cancer, this week, merong parang babalik uli yung inyong lakas, no? Kasi merong regeneration energy rito. So, pwedeng, parang kung dati pinanghinaan ka ng loob, ngayon maglalakas loob ka na ulit. This can be pagbabalik ng dati mong interest, pagbabalik ng enthusiasm mo, pagbabalik ng iyong courage, or pwedeng meron kang babalikan na isang situation sa buhay mo. In what area of life is this? Sa sarili mo, gusto mong palakasin ang iyong sarili. Baka yung iba sa inyo mag-exercise, you want to be healthier, fit, strong, healthy. Pwedeng pagdating rin sa pagkain ninyo, mas magiging maingat kayo sa pagkain. So, your overall energy is the 9 of Swords. Some of you are overthinking things. Pwedeng merong may pag-aaway. Oo. Maaring meron dito na yung parang naghihinala ka sa isang taong malapit sa'yo. Can be your romantic partner. Or meron kang ino-overthink sa isang situation mo if you are connecting with someone romantically. Okay? This can also mean yung, lalo na kung ikaw yung magsisimula naman sa work mo or meron kang business na you are working on, so marami kang iniisip. So your challenge is the 9 of Pentacles. Challenge mo yung sarili mo kung paano pa mas maging efficient, mas maging productive, at mas maraming ma-achieve sa buhay. Kaya maaring ngayon, parang kinokondisyon mo yung sarili mo to be more positive, no? Magkaroon ng positibong pananaw sa maraming bagay, sa lahat ng bagay, especially sa iyong finances, sa career path mo. Your opportunity is the Knight of Cups. So there's an opportunity for love, opportunity for deeper connection with someone. So pwede itong romantic connection or having a best friend na meron kayong pagiging open connection, no? Yung tipong meron sasabihin, yung may i-open up sa'yo na nararamdaman niya. Pwedeng romantic connection, okay? Pwede rin namang ito ay sarili niyang experience. And then your blessing is the Queen of Pentacles. Blessed ka sa mga resources, mga needs mo. So you don't have to worry, wag mo i-overthink yung mga bagay na kailangan mong pagkagastosan this week or yung mga kailangan mong ma-accomplish sa trabaho mo. Kasi the more na ino-overthink mo siya, the more na masistress ka. So, pag na-stress ka, mawalan ka ng focus. 'Di ba? So, sa iyo namang finances, sabi rito, stay low-key as you get the job done. Yes. So, siya, itong Knight of Pentacles, slow and steady to, no? So, if you're doing your job, you're doing the work, pagdating sa career path mo, you will see results, no? Hindi man siya yung tipong agad-agad, pero if you will be consistent, okay? Kung magiging consistent ka, you will see great results sa iyong career, sa trabaho mo, sa business mo. And then for your relationship, so maaring magkaroon ng trust issues para sa mga may karelasyon dyan. Maari kasing meron ditong nagtatago ng kanyang may itinatago, no? Pwedeng itinatago niya yung past niya, yung mga bagay na gustong mong malaman sa person mo, or maaring ikaw to na hindi ka nag-open sa person mo because you feel like parang hindi niya dine-deserve yon dahil past mo na yun, 'di ba? But yeah, maaring you will be working on a trust issue with your relationship. And para kasi itong meron kang pakiramdam kung totoo ba yung intention ng tao sa'yo. This can be any type of connection or relationship. Okay? You have Venus in the third house. Pwedeng meron nagkakaroon ng crush sa inyo or nagkakaroon ng romantic interest sa inyo if you are single with the Knight of Cups here and itong flattery. Someone is always thinking of you or pwedeng ikaw to na lagi kang maraming iniisip. Oo. So parang you feel like it is like an interest or parang attraction sa isang tao. So maaring you will be opening up with someone kung ano yung nararamdaman mo sa kanya. Meron ditong hindi hindi tumitigil sa kakaisip sa'yo. Yung iba naman, Venus kasi is the planet of money. Ayan. And it's in the third house. So, pwedeng you are magpapalawak ka ng iyong connection. Pagdating sa mga contacts mo, mas dumadami yung friends mo or yung social media presence mo nandyan. Kaya mas nakaka-attract ka ng mga potential customers or potential na clients. And even when it comes to your career, maari ring may nabubuo kang plano for your career kung paano mo mas ma-elevate, mapapaangat yung iyong career path. Okay? So, kuha pa tayo ng other cards. Money, career, finances. Four of Swords. Oh, ayan, pananahimik talaga. And this is also healing. Maaring meron kang inaayos or ma-overcome na challenge pagdating sa finances mo this week. Sa relationship, you have the Five of Pentacles. So, maari kasing, if you're connecting with someone, maaring itong person na to ay hindi na masyadong nakakapagbigay ng panahon, oras, effort, energy sa'yo. Kaya parang iniisip mo, itong tao ba na to ay dapat mo pa ba siyang pagkatiwalaan? Kasi some of you maaring meron ditong iniiwasan yung other person. Kasi maaring yung other person marami laging tinatanong sa kanya. So, ayaw niya ng ganun. Okay? Evil Queen, you deserve sugar, not salt. Ayan. So, dinideserve mo raw ang tamis, hindi yung maalat na ibinibigay sa'yo ng iba. You also have lavender, surround yourself with love. Yes. So, you will focus also on people na nagpapahalaga sa'yo, nagmamahal sa'yo ng totoo. Okay, so that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. See you again.